So this is the second domain and range question that is in this Regents. So again, the domain is the x values. So domain is your x values. Okay, you might say, but there are no x values. So that's the time where you remember it's your independent value. If that doesn't help you, think, oh, it's what would be my x-axis? So it would be t and p sub t. So in this case, our domain is our t values. We don't have to think about it a whole lot because that's our only choice. But they do tell us t is the number of days. Days, days, days. Process that since the population was first observed. Which domain is most appropriate to determine the population over the course of the first 2 weeks? So remember, we're talking about t as days, not weeks. So they have given you a choice that you can fall for really easily. They've said from 0 weeks to 2 weeks, or the correct answer is from 0 weeks to 14 days because 2 weeks is 14 days. So I think this is as much a reading problem as it is a math problem. As long as you know what domain is, you just need to close read. They're asking for days. They don't want all time greater than 0 because they stop at 2 weeks. And they don't want to stop at 2 days. This would say they're stopping at 2 days right here. So that would be a close read as well. And they also, this would let you go below 0, and time can't go below 0 in this case because they're starting with a population, they're starting with first observing it. You have to have a starting point. So that is the correct answer for problem 21.